What you're about to hear sounds impossible, but it's real. Right now, there are invisible monsters in space powerful enough to tear Earth apart, atom by atom, and if we got too close to one, there would be no escape. So, how does a black hole get created? A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a point so dense that not even light can escape. That boundary is called the event horizon. Cross it, and you're gone forever. Let's say Earth starts drifting toward one. At first, nothing seems wrong. The sky looks normal. Life continues. But in the distance, something feels off. The closer we get, the more gravity stretches space itself. Stars behind the black hole start to warp like a cosmic funhouse mirror. Now gravity begins pulling harder on one side of Earth than the other. This difference is called tidal force. Oceans begin to surge, earthquakes rip through continents, the planet itself starts to deform. But something even stranger is happening. Time itself begins to break. If you were watching Earth from far away, you'd see it slow down more until it appears completely frozen at the edge. But from Earth's perspective, time feels completely normal. You're falling, but you'll never see yourself cross the line. At some point, Earth crosses the event horizon. There's no warning, no flash, no sound, just one moment, and you're beyond the point of no return. From here on, escape is impossible, not even at the speed of light. And now the real nightmare begins. The closer Earth gets to the center, the stronger the gravity becomes. The side closer to the black hole is pulled faster than the other, stretching everything into a long, thin line. This is called spaghettification. Mountains, oceans, cities, everything is torn apart down to atoms. No structure survives, no life remains. Earth disintegrates, and particles spiral inward. So, where does it all go? At the center of a black hole lies something called a singularity, a point of infinite density where, honestly, the laws of physics break down. No one really knows what happens beyond this point. But here's the strangest part. From the outside universe, Earth never actually disappears. It just fades slower and slower until it's frozen forever at the edge. So, did Earth fall in, or is it still there waiting frozen in time? And if black holes can trap planets like this, what else is already trapped out there in the dark? If you want to explore more mysteries like this, from space to the secrets of our own planet, make sure you subscribe to Life and Nature Matters, because the truth about our universe is far stranger than you think.